Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss how to open the files in detail. So in Python, to open a file, we use the function called open. This is the syntax for opening the file. We use the function called open and the function takes up two arguments. First one is the file name. The file name which needs to be opened is given in the first place. Then the mode. Mode is nothing but the way in which you wanted to open the file. For example, whether you wanted to open the file in read-only mode, we use the keyword called R. If you wanted to open the file in write-only mode, we use the keyword called W. We have like 6 important modes in Python. One is read-only, another one is write, another one is append. So the difference between write and the append is the moment when you open the file, the content inside the file has been deleted when we open the file in the write-only mode. In the append, when you open the file, the content inside the file is retained and the cursor moves to the end of the line. So the content that you're typing or you're entering will be appended to the existing file. This is the difference between the write and append mode. There are another modes like read and write mode and write and read mode and write and append mode. Now we will try to open a file. I'm trying to open the file in read-only mode, so I use the keyword R. So I already have a sample file in my path. If you guys noticed, I have created a text file. If I open the text file, you guys could see I have typed like 4 lines. So if I run the code, the Python interpreter will look for the file name called samplefile.txt and it opens them in the read-only mode and it assigns to the file. Let's run the program and check this out. So if you guys noticed, the file name called sample file has been opened and in a read-only mode and it is assigned to the variable called file. So if you guys try to open a file in a write-only mode and if the file doesn't exist, the Python interpreter will create a file for you. Let's check this out. So if I run this line, a Python interpreter will look for the file called secondfile.txt. Since I don't have any file name with that file, Python interpreter will create a new file for me. Let's run this program and check this out. If I go to my directory, I can find a file called secondfile. So if you guys noticed, earlier I didn't have the file called secondfile. Now I have the file. So this is the difference between read-only mode and write-only mode. If you don't have a file and if you try to open them in a read-only mode, Python interpreter will throw an error. Whereas if you don't have a file and you try to open a file in a write mode, Python interpreter will create the file for you. We have opened the file. So how to access the content inside the file? We will look into the next video how to access the details and the content inside the file. See you guys in the next video.